Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets automatically in 2025. So let's get into it. Step 1. Open Typeform and go to Connect under your form settings. Step 2. Search for Google Sheets and available integrations. Step 3. Authorize your Google account and choose the spreadsheet where you want responses to be recorded. Step 4. Match typeform fields to columns in your spreadsheet. Step 5. Click Enable to start the integration. Step 6. Do a test submission and check if the data reflects properly in Sheets. And that's all. Your Typeform responses now update Google Sheets in real time. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.